The overbranding trend continues at Nike, this time with the Air Max 97. Here's my quick unboxing and initial impressions of the Air Max 97 Premium. Hi there, MC here for Steel Falcons Gaming, back with another unboxing video. Today I'm covering the Nike Air Max 97 Premium, a Black Friday release here in the Philippines. So immediately when I saw the Athlete's Foot announce this in Instagram dropping this Friday, I immediately knew that I had to get this one. And later on you will see, or I will explain why. So let's unbox this baby up. Alrighty, so this is the Nike Air Max 97 Premium. I got a size 9.5 US. The colorway is black, white - varsity red. This is made in Vietnam, and the model number is 312-834-008. Alright, so this is the view up top. The view from the lateral side, the view from the medial side, the view from the back, and the sole. Nice. As I said in the intro, Nike is continuing with their overbranding trend, and this is obviously influenced by their Off-White collaboration. And I like that. Getting the Off-White vibe on general release sneakers to make it more available and more affordable to everybody. And that's my quick unboxing and initial impressions of the Nike Air Max 97 Premium Overbranded. Thanks for tuning in. Please click like and subscribe if you haven't yet. I'm definitely looking forward to rocking these, and I'm looking forward to you tuning in once again here in Steel Falcons Gaming. MC here, signing off. Peace.